Welcome to an extraordinary waterfront masterpiece that epitomises luxury living in Sydney. This remarkable trophy home, with breathtaking views of Middle Harbour, offers an unparalleled lifestyle with its 2 yacht berths accommodating vessels up to 50 feet. Conceived by visionary architect Ralph Cunningham, this stunning residence spans 5 levels across the scenic cliff face, showcasing a harmonious blend of contemporary design and natural beauty. Covering approximately 1,600 square metres of lavish indoor and outdoor living space, the property features signature architectural curves and a striking sculptural staircase. Every bedroom is a private retreat, complete with en-suites and mesmerising water-facing aspects that invite you to enjoy the dynamic marine scenery from the spit to the marina and out to the ocean. Entertainment is elevated with a luxurious infinity pool and expansive outdoor areas perfect for gatherings, while the interiors are flooded with natural light from soaring 15-foot ceilings and skylit spaces. This home is designed for both relaxation and recreation, boasting a commercial-sized lift, an inclinator that leads to a serene Japanese garden, and direct access to the private jetty. For the ultimate entertainment experience, indulge in the state-of-the-art home theatre, gym, and billiards/media room. Additional amenities include a sauna, spa, and 2 full kitchens complemented by a wet bar, ensuring every social occasion is met with ease and sophistication. With a 4-car garage and a convenient driveway U-turn area, accessibility is never a concern. This residence is not just a home, it's a unique sanctuary that offers an unparalleled experience of luxury, comfort, and connectivity to nature, making it a rare find in today's market.